Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to install WordPress on server the XAMPP server. So before I started, I'd like to give you some information about localhost. So what is localhost? You may be asked. Localhost is a host name that refers current computer which we are using, like your computer and my computer. While working on localhost, we are using our computer server which can be accessed through the internet. That means the server can only be accessed by the person who are using this computer. Otherwise, it can be accessed through the internet. To create a local server on your computer, you need a software which will create a server environment in your device. You can use XAMPP server, AMP, EasyPHP, WPN. There are many software that are providing local server service. So in this tutorial, I will use the XAMPP server. To download XAMPP server, open your browser and search for XAMPP, and then open the apachefriends.org website. Here you will find the XAMPP for Windows, Linux and OS. So just download the XAMPP for your device. I have already installed the XAMPP server, so I will not install it again. The next step is to download the WordPress file. To download WordPress file, you will go to wordpress.org, and from there we will download our latest WordPress file. Download and install, and then click download WordPress, and it will start the download process. So our download is almost done. Now we will extract the zip file. Okay, extract. Let me pause the video. It can take up to 2 minutes. I'll get back to you. Our file is almost unzipped. Next we will okay. If you open the WordPress folder, you will find another WordPress file. And if you are open this is our WordPress file which we'll need. The next process is to look for the local server directory. That means where we have installed our XAMPP server. If you have installed your XAMPP server in your local disk, you will find the htdocs or XAMPP folder. I have installed it on the other disk, like here. There is the XAMPP server install directory. Just open the XAMPP server and look for the file called htdocs. And this is the htdocs file. Open this. Here we need to paste the WordPress file. So we will copy the WordPress file and then we will paste it here. Okay, we have pasted the WordPress file. The next process is to create a database for the WordPress. So to create a database, first of all we need to open the XAMPP server, and then click okay. If you open the XAMPP server, okay, let me close them first. Okay, okay, then you will find the Apache and MySQL. You just need to start them. Click start and go to your browser and search for localhost/php. Localhost slash php myadmin. Localhost slash php myadmin. And then click enter. And now we will create a database folder for our WordPress. So click new and give it a name. I'm naming it for WordPress website. And then click create. Our database is successfully created. Next, we will search for localhost slash our WordPress website is named after WordPress. Then that's why we will search for localhost slash WordPress. And it will take us to the installation process. Select the preferred language and press continue, and then let's go. Now we need to provide the database name for the WordPress website we have already created. WordPress website is our database name, and the username for localhost is root. You have to put the username every WordPress website you create, and the password will be none. Then submit. Next, run the installation. Now we need to provide our website title and name it WordPress website. Username admin, and the password also I am keeping admin. Confirm your email. You need to put your email address here, and then install WordPress. Now our WordPress will be installed. Okay, we have successfully installed our WordPress. Now you can log into your WordPress admin dashboard, providing your password and username. So this is our WordPress on localhost. You don't need any internet connection to access this website or work on this project. You can visit the website. This is your website, which will look like first as the demo theme is installed. Okay, I hope you understand the process, and if you don't, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks.